welcome back to my channel. My name is Swati, and guys, it's a long weekend and I have lots of plans, lots of things lined up. I just woke up few minutes back, and in this video I'm gonna take you all through what all I do usually on a weekend or on a long weekend. So let's go. So as you can see, I'm standing in my closet. So the first activity of the day will be setting this closet. It's messier as hell. There are two things that I hate doing. They are folding the clothes and washing utensils, but I don't have any other option, so I have to fix it on my own. I'm gonna show you all the closet, but don't judge me. People who have OCD will hate me, but I have to show you. So this is how it is. All the clothes are messed up, but I'm gonna fix it today. I know this is not how girls' closet should look like, but this is how it is, and I'm going to fix it now. And I make sure that I maintain it. Every time I fix the closet, I promise myself that I'm gonna maintain it, and on the very third day of the week, it's again messed up. I don't know why who does that, because every time I just take out clothes and keep it back. I think there is somebody else who is messing up with my closet. We need to figure out that. Okay, let's cut the crap. Guys, I'm starting to fold my clothes, and as you can see, I'm already tired looking at this pile of clothes. It's really stressing me out. What we gotta do. Almost done, guys, but just for this row I think I would need to take a break, because it's already been an hour since I'm folding clothes and I'm feeling damn sleepy. So after finishing up this row, I'm gonna fix that. I'll have some tea or coffee. God, this is such a pain. Really not bad, actually, better than before. I have kept all my sweaters here, pajamas here, some t-shirts here, and some pajama and skirts here. At least it looks presentable. I can't be expert in it, because as I told you, I don't like folding clothes, but okay for me. Quite literally, my head is spinning now. I think I have been folding clothes for like last 1 hour and only this much is done. There's still a long way to go. I'm gonna take break for 15 minutes. I'll have some tea and then I'm gonna do something else and we'll come back to the closet. But hats off to the people, hats off to all the mothers, especially in India, who does everything from folding clothes. It's such a small thing for them. Everything from morning to evening. A big thanks to every mother out there. So I'm done with my bathroom cleaning. I'm almost done with closet also. Upper shelf is left, lower shelf is almost done. And now I'm having just little snack break. I'm having pomegranate, and after that I'm gonna do my upper shelf, go for shower and cook my food. So I'm done with the day now. I have finished all the cleaning. I'm done with the shower. Now I'm gonna head out and have some coffee. After that I'll come back and we'll cook meal of the day. So here I am at Starbucks. The best part about my apartment complex is everything is just under 0.5 miles away. So everything is walkable. So which one shall I have? I'm planning to have one croissant, almond croissant and coffee. Look at my name again, Swati. They think I'm South Indian, but I'm not. It's Swati without H. You know what the best part about this apartment complex is? Everything is so nearby. Everything is like less than 0.5 miles away from my house, be it Target, Safeway, Starbucks. Everything is so nearby that it's very convenient. I just have to go downstairs and pick up my stuff. It's just so convenient. Don't have to drive. Now I'm just gonna relax and watch something online, maybe Big Boss. Although I didn't like this season much, I don't know, I couldn't connect with anybody except Rubina and Abhinav. I like them because they're very decent people. Apart from that, everybody is so boring. Last season was so amazing, so the expectation from this season was quite high, but unfortunately it didn't meet, so that's fine. I'm just watching it for time pass. You guys are also following this season. Comment down below who all are your favorites. So I just woke up. I had a very good sleep. I dozed off while watching Big Boss. It was that boring, yeah. But now I'm feeling fresh, so I'm planning to cook some food. Actually, I have been craving for that kanjak wala food, that chana halwa and puri, and I haven't had it for a very long time. I still don't know how to make it, so I'm probably gonna watch a YouTube video parallelly while making it. I have actually cooked gajar ka halwa before, but I've never cooked suji and atta halwa. So let's see how it turns out. Let's start.
So I have made the dough now for puri. Now I'm going to chop some veggies, some tomato, onion, green chili and coriander for chana, and then finally I'll make some halwa.
So I'm still cooking. I'm probably gonna show you the final product because I myself don't know how to make it. I'm just watching the YouTube video parallelly and cooking it. I hope it turns out good because I have been craving for it for a while now. Some garam masala. So chana is in progress. I'll start preparing for puris now. You can do it, Swati, you can do it. Finally, my first puri is ready. Look at this one. Turned out so well.
So now I'm planning to make halwa with ghee and I'm using gur instead of sugar. Oh my god, halwa is ready and it looks tempting.
So now the food is ready. I'm just gonna taste it and have a bite and we'll share how it is. So first I'm gonna taste with chana. Amazing. I think I'll have to taste halwa because that's the first attempt. Amazing. Seriously amazing. See how it looks? It looks really good and it tastes very amazing. So now that's it. I'm just gonna have my food. I think मेहनत का फल अच्छा होता है. मैंने इतनी मेहनत की है. So you might have seen the whole video. All I'm trying to say here is we people, I would consider myself in that group too because I have been that person that we have a preconceived notion or assumption that whoever is traveling to US or any other international country for studying purpose or working purpose, they must be just enjoying, partying hard every night, having gala time of their lives, dancing every day and just having fun doing nothing. But that's not the case. Whatever I showed you in this video is the reality, is the gospel truth. There is a lot more to it than just partying or having fun. I think reality is completely different. I hope you got a little sense of it through my video. The life in India is completely opposite to what we live here. Stayed in India all my life and I've been in US for last 5 years and I know the difference because everything was spoon-fed, everything was brought to the table, and here you have to chase and get it to the table. So that's the difference. This is what an international student do throughout the day: studying, working, washing utensils, cleaning the bathroom, cleaning the kitchen, maintaining the room, and list is too long. So now some people might have some other opinion like yeah, you are living in US or people living in US are the only people working hard. We are living in India, we don't work hard or we get everything on table. That's not what I mean. You know where it is coming from, right? People will understand the intention. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you like it. I have tried to keep this vlog as real as possible. You might find it boring, you might find it interesting, but this is the reality. This is what I usually do over a weekend or on a day off. I try to fix as much mess as possible created over the weekdays, or I invest my time in cooking because during the weekdays I don't get much time for cooking because of work and all. So during the weekends I try to make good food and fulfill my cravings. So that's it. Before we sign off, I just want to say that I'm still learning YouTubing and I'm still learning to make vlogs. So if I do any mistake on the way, please let it go and keep subscribing to my channel. That's all. My food is ready. I'm just gonna hog on it. This has been a pretty long vlog. So that's it. I'll let you guys go. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. I'll see you guys in my next vlog.